Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. If you have been wondering how can you accept Instagram collaboration request, then you came to the right video. In this video, I'll give you the step-by-step process on how can you do that in a very easy and clear method as well. So if that's what you're looking for, follow up with me till the very end and let's jump right into it. Now first, let's get something out of the way. Open Play Store or App Store, depends on what device you're using. Simply search for Instagram and make sure we have the app updated to the latest version for everything to work properly. After that, you can create the store now. Let's go ahead and open Instagram. Make sure you are logged into your account and let's start by creating a post by tapping here in the bottom on this plus button, and then from here choose a picture and then tap on next in the top. From here to add a collaboration, tap on tag people right there and then tap on invite collaborators right here, guys. Now from here search for who you want to add as a collaborator. I'm gonna use my second account right here. And then once you're done, you can tap on the tick in the top right corner right here to save the changes. And of course, you can go ahead and continue in creating your post and then tap on share in the top right corner. I'm going to share this with close friends because I don't want others to see this post. It's just an example for this video, guys. So I'm going to go ahead and share this video just like that, as you can see, guys, and I'll show you how can you accept the request. Now from here, as you can see, I have posted this post. I'm gonna switch back to the second account in a second and I'll show you how can you accept the request. Right here, guys, I'm in my second account. You should find a notification right here in the top right corner when you tap on the heart, and you should find the request right here, and this is from where you can accept that request on Instagram, guys. So go ahead and tap on the request, tap on accept, and once you go to the profile and tap here on this icon, you should find that post that you have accepted the collaborations on found right here. And that is it for this video, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like and leave your questions and comments in the comment section. I'll try to answer every single one of them, and of course subscribe for future videos like this one. Thank you very much for watching and see you in future videos.